The bundle of sticks. Once upon a time, an old man who was a farmer lived with his 3 sons in a village. They were lucky to be rich, but they didn't have respect as their sons kept fighting among themselves. One day, the farmer called his sons and said, "My sons, I am growing old. It's time for me to retire from my duties. But before I do, I have a competition set up for you all. The winner will receive a huge reward." The sons asked the farmer what they have to. The farmer gave each son 3 bundles of 10 sticks and asked them to break each stick. The one who breaks them the fastest will be the winner. It was an easy task. The sons broke each of the sticks into 2 pieces quickly. As soon as they finished, they started fighting again. One son said, "I won." The other son said, "How can you win when I broke all the sticks first?" "I won." The other one said, "No. I broke the sticks first, so I am the winner." The farmer shouted at them to stop, and said that the competition was not over yet and they still had one more task to do. The farmer handed over another bundle of 10 sticks to each son. He asked them to break the entire bundle of sticks into 2 without pulling out individual sticks. They tried hard, but they could not break their bundles of sticks. The 3 sons complained that it's difficult to break the bundle of sticks, but a single stick individually can be broken easily. The farmer said, "You 3 are also like these sticks. As long as you stay united like the bundle, nobody can harm you, but if you keep fighting amongst yourselves, you are like individual sticks easy to break." The 3 sons understood the wisdom in their father's words. Moral of the story: unity in strength. When we are united, no one can stop us. Individually we are a drop, but together we are an ocean. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much.